Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. So, hey guys, this is another vlog, and I am home. I just got back home. I went on the road, went to the bank, I went to Publix, and I went to Dunkin' Donuts. I also went to T-Mobile because they were giving away masks. This is only for T-Mobile customers. Yeah, so I got mine. If you're a T-Mobile customer / Sprint, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's really hot in Florida today. So this is how the mask looks. Like, in here is really soft. Why this looks so foggy? Yeah, this looks in here is really soft. Well, I can't really feel the air. Yeah, and it has, like, don't know why they put this in it, but, and it has adjustable straps, so I guess it can fit anyone. So yeah, so I went to Dunkin' Donuts and I got a egg cheese bacon bagel. Yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm confused. And I got it with the everything bagel. You know, that's my thing. Here it is. It's so good. And I also got their strawberry and dragon fruit refresher. I had a taste of it when I got it and kind of tastes bitter. So hopefully that's just the ice in it. It tastes weird, but anyways. So today I am going on the road. I'm gonna go to the mall with my friend. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but my hair is on day 6. Day 6 since I did the wash and go after I texturized it. So this is day 6, and usually when I do my wash and goes on my hair pre-texturizer, day 6 was non-existent. Okay. So hey guys, I'm back home and for to show you guys what I had to eat. I'm here with my friend and we had some PF Chang's, some takeout, some sweet and sour chicken, but I forgot to show you guys before I actually dug in. Yeah, so not much to show, but yeah, this is sis. This is yeah guys, so I'm gonna show you just a little mini haul of the stuff I got at the mall today. We didn't spend that much time there. So guys, the first item is this Champion sweat jogger kind of pan. Picks up this Nivea body cream, put lipstick in it's not focusing, in mod, but yes, this is it out of the box and it's mod. Full just focus, yeah, it's mod. And also got this rose water as well because the one I had, the one I have now is almost done, and I thought this was the bigger version to it. I have the Gabrielle flat tongue in tan, and says sis over here says that it looks like house slippers.
No, I said yard slippers.
She doesn't like brown, but I think it looks nice. It matches my complexion, but right now since my toes aren't done, then that's probably why it's throwing her off. But for the tomboy in me, the sneakerhead in me, you have the Jordan 1 mids woman in white, and this is not, it's easier to clean to me at least because this is not the usual material that they use on the Nike shoes, and I like that. But I think I'm gonna change the lace because it looks kind of cream and not white. So yeah, this is it.
You can change the lace.
Yeah, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next time I pick up this camera, which will probably be the next time I have something to do.
Epic.
Because my life is not that exciting where I'm doing something every day. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next clip. So hey guys, I am going to the hair store. Well, it's the next day and I'm going to the hair store to get some braids for my sister because I'm gonna braid her hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a little of that because I don't think it's something I want to put on the channel because I have a lot of braiding videos on the channel already, so I don't think it makes any sense, you know. So yeah, and then I wanted to go to the bookstore to get a Bible. Yeah, I want to get a Bible. I haven't had a Bible in years and I want to get one. I don't really like reading them on the apps because it's very distracting being on the phone. You know, you get notifications on your phone and all of that, so I don't want to do that. So I want to get a physical Bible, and I'm either gonna go to Barnes and Noble and get one, or I go on Amazon and get one. But I want to get one, so that's what I have planned today. I have some art that I need to do as well for my page and for my yeah, I have some art that I need to do for my page and also for my website because I'm gonna be selling art. So if you're interested, just hit the website. I just left the house and I left the gate pass. Shit. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for the day. Like I told you guys, I don't really be doing much in my days, so I just feel like I still need to vlog just for the content and show you guys I actually don't do anything at all. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're at the mall, my sister and I. We just came here to get like a few things for her. I'm not getting anything for myself. Oh. Yeah, we just came to get a few things for her, and I don't know if she have anything else planned for the day. But right now we're in the food court waiting to have food. So I'm waiting for mine right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm using my phone to vlog right now. and I have on the mask, so I'm not sure if it's low. But yeah. Hey guys, so I'm about to head out and yeah, I'm about to head out to go to Walmart to get the cloth, not the cloth, the thread, and I'm going to the UPS store to return something. Then I don't know what else I want to get done on the road while I'm over there, because I'm walking. The plaza is like right across the road, so and Uber is like no, so I'm just gonna walk. Skin looking nice today. Ooh, look at the glow, y'all. Skin looking nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna let you guys know when I get to the UPS store, because that's the first stop.
You probably got a big deal. I can do that.
They never change it again.
What am I looking for? Okay, ladies. No. This is your place. What's the last name on your plate?
Johnson.
I lost my job. What did you do before? I worked in the public doing demos.
I did that too many years ago.
No, what am I trying to do?
Yes.
Whose pen is this? All right, just sign there for me.
We're signing our life away here, and it looks like.
No, you're gonna get
After the whole week, that's when you I'm just
Okay.
Thank you. Could you dispose of this, please? Thank you.